Let's count down Rome's most important historic sites. Starting with number 10, these are the Spanish Steps, one of the most iconic places in Rome. The Spanish Steps were built in the early 18th century by an Italian architect to connect the city below to the church above. At the top of the Spanish Steps stands the Trinidad de Monte Church, famous for its twin towers overlooking Rome. At the bottom, a quiet fountain shaped like a boat completes the scene. Number 9. Sant'Ignazio Church. This is the Church of Saint Ignazio, located in a quiet square in the heart of Rome. From the outside, it feels simple and calm, but inside, the ceiling opens into an illusion of endless space and light. Rome is full of surprises like this. A mirror is placed on the floor so visitors can fully see the illusion of the ceiling. Number 8. Pantheon. This is the Pantheon, one of the best preserved ancient buildings in the world. Built nearly 2000 years ago, it still stands in perfect balance. The Pantheon was originally built as a temple dedicated to all the Roman gods. At the center of the dome is the oculus, an open circle to the sky. Here, light becomes part of the architecture. Number 7. Piazza Navona. This is Piazza Navona, built over an ancient Roman stadium. At its heart stands the Church of St. Annis, quietly watching over the square. Number 6. Terrazza del Pincio. Terrazza del Pincio is a viewpoint located on the Pincian Hill. It overlooks Piazza del Popolo and offers a panoramic view of Rome. Villa Borghese is a large public park on the Pincian Hill. It features gardens, walking paths, and small artificial lake. Number 5. Trajan's Column. Trajan's Column was built in 113 AD to commemorate Emperor Trajan's victories. Number 4. Basilica of Saint Mary Major. The Basilica of Saint Mary Major is one of the four major basilicas of Rome, built in the 4th century AD. It is the oldest major church in the city dedicated to the Virgin Mary. Number 3. Stadium of Domitian. The Stadium of Domitian was part of the imperial palaces on the Palatine Hill. Number 2. Roman Forum. The Roman Forum was originally a marshy valley that was developed in the 7th century BC. It later became the political, religious, and economic center of ancient Rome. Public speeches, trials, ceremonies, and daily business all took place here. For more than 1,000 years, this area was the heart of Roman public life. Number 1. Colosseum. This is the Colosseum, the largest amphitheater of the Roman Empire. It was built in the 1st century AD and used for gladiator games and public events. The Colosseum could hold between 50 and 65,000 spectators. Historians estimate that over several centuries, tens of thousands of people died here, including gladiators and prisoners. They also estimate that hundreds of thousands of animals were killed in public spectacles brought from across the Roman Empire. These were 10 historic sites of Rome. Thank you for watching.